Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Halo campaign evolved game sound not working or distorted crackling audio issues. So let's go through the method. Test sound quality. So for that you have to go to the control panel and then click on hardware and sound and then tap on sound, choose your audio device. Right click on it, choose a properties, tap on advanced. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for control panel. Now click on hardware and sound, then click on sound. Now here you have to select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, now click on advanced, and here you have to test the bit rate of your speaker. So here you have to select it and then click on test. It's suggested to check every of them and see which one is working fine, and after that click on OK and then check whether sound issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to update your audio driver. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand sound, audio and game controllers, sound, video and game controllers. Now here you have to select your audio, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your audio driver. Once done, try to check if sound issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to uninstall device under audio. So for that, again go to Windows search, search for device manager, go below, expand sound, video and game controllers, select your audio driver, right click on it, click on properties. Now go to the drivers option and here you have to click on uninstall device, and after that tap on uninstall, then click on OK. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether the sound problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to select right audio setting. So for that you have to press Windows plus G and here you will get the audio icon. Simply click on the audio option over here and here you have to select the speakers, and after that you have to check whether the sound bar is set to maximum or not. If not, you have to set it to maximum. After that, go below, you have to check the system sounds or any other sounds and check the sound bar whether it's set to maximum or not. Now after doing this, check if the problem is solved or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now after the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check whether sound problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to troubleshoot audio device. So for that you have to go to settings, then tap on system, then click on troubleshoot option. So for that, go to Windows search, search for settings, then click on system, then go below, click on troubleshoot. Now here you have to click on other troubleshooters and here you can see audio. You have to simply click on run option. Now after that, check if the sound issue is resolved or not. So after clicking on the run option, you have to fill up few details and after that check if it's working. If not, next method is to disable Windows Sonic or spatial sound. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now click on control panel, then go to hardware and sound, click on sound. Now here you have to select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound option and here it is turned off. You have to select Windows Sonic and after that click on OK and then check if the problem is resolved or not. But you are suggested to restart your PC once after applying all the changes and then check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix sound issue while playing the game on your PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.